We are going to take a look at one of the notice and note signpost comprehension strategies called Again and Again. When you are reading and notice a word, phrase, object, or situation occurring over and over, you should stop and ask yourself, why does this keep happening over and over again? The answers will tell you about the theme and conflict, or it will foreshadow what will happen later. Let's take a look at a couple of excerpts from the book Hatchet by Gary Paulson. Reading closely, the reader would likely notice several things being repeated, such as the word divorce, secrets, and situations occurring in each excerpt referring or related to his family being divided. Here are some questions we as thinkers should be asking ourselves. Why does this keep showing up again and again? Does it lead me to the conflict or theme? If I were to make a prediction, it sounds like the main character is really struggling with his current family situation. The fact that there is a secret related to the divorce likely leads me to this conflict. But I wouldn't be surprised if the main character changes from the beginning of the story to the end as a result of his parents' divorce. I'm thinking this will lead me to the theme as well. Another question to consider, does this give me a clue as to what might happen later or a foreshadow? It seems like these words are pretty important to the text. I think we will find out what the secret is later on.